everybody. Will Stroll here from Upendo Ventures and UpendoDNN.com. Just bringing you a quick update of something we released today, and that is this really cool template for our Open Content MVC Razor template repository. Yes, that was a little bit of a mouthful, but it's called the BS5 Conditional Modal Pop-ups because it's Bootstrap 5 out of the box with awesome font awesome, and it allows you to conditionally display a promotional pop-up or just a pop-up in general to your visitors. If we were to just look at the closed issue, there's plenty of detail about how it was built, so if you want to get into the nitty-gritty on the details, you can. But once you're on a site that has a DNN site that has open content installed, you can install this template into your site, and then you'll see something similar to what you see below. Right now it just shows that the refer is a direct visit or the URL was manually entered, and it says there's no query strings found. That's because there's a feature in here called debugging that is turned on, so you can debug this thing and then turn it off. But no matter if debugging is turned on or off, and we recommend keeping it off when you don't need it, this will not be shown to end users, so you can put this on every page of your site to react to various inbound links and various conditions. Okay, so it says no conditions met. That's because it does have pop-ups, but none of them are triggered by anything. Okay, so if I was to just simply refresh the site, nothing will happen. But if I were to put in any query string like my site equals great, now it's starting to load things up. Okay, and if I had come from a different page on the site, it would have given me the current domain as the referrer, which we'll see in a second. So the template settings, just going to go into that very briefly. You can change how long the dismissal will last. So if somebody dismisses it with the default settings, it'll come back in 1 day. But we can do 1 month, 1 week. All right. I'm going to just save that change, or not save that change because there's no changes. But you also, that's where you go to turn on and off debugging. But now let's go look at the modals that are installed. Or saved. So we can see there's 2 modals. If you have multiple ones, the first one that triggers will be the one that triggers, and then the rest will be ignored. This should tell you that the order of these does matter, so move them up and down as you wish. And then the delay time, if you want one, make it in milliseconds, so this is 3 seconds. Otherwise, you can delete it and leave it be, or make it 0, it'll come up right away. And you can also turn on exit intent if you want. Now we just added this modal to the site for a newsletter that just got published today. And so it says, thank you for reading our newsletter. We're using font awesome to make it a little bit more interactive. It says here's 15% off for being awesome. And then some additional content about how to do that. We also have a little spot for a optional call to action in the footer if you want to use it, and then a dismissal. And that brings us to conditions. So if that's abrupt in the video, that's because I had to edit out me not being able to speak. But we have the ability for you to choose the referring domain, so the domain name that the person, the visitor, is coming from, or one of these query string values that's often used in Google Analytics. These are just the default options, by the way. You can actually edit these. But if the value for the UTM source equals newsletter, then this pop-up should appear. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how that works. A guest window and an email open. So I'm going to just click the link to get to the site, and it's going to have that value that we expect in it. So after just a moment, it's going to give me my promotion. That's all there is to it. It's pretty easy, and this is what the call to action looks like as well. I hope you enjoy this, and if you get any value out of it, please consider sponsoring us on GitHub, or we'd love to support you as well. So enjoy the rest of your week. Thank you.